Hello everyone, Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from beautiful Stonewater here in Cape Coral. Stonewater is a beautiful gated community located in the northwest section in the city of Cape Coral. Currently, I am standing outside of the model center, which is a Delray model. I've done a couple home tours on Delray's here. I'll go ahead and put those in the description box below. I'll throw those links in there so you can check out those home tours. I'll also put a few other links down there, informational videos on Stonewater. I'll be sitting down with the sales staff in a second and getting updates on competitive mortgage rates and available lots that they have left in the community. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. And as always, you can comment down below with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.